hollow chest, hard heels, kicking what is left. You didn't see a man, no, you saw a map to tear apart. Scattered dust on the kitchen floor, washed away out the side door. You took my heart, you took my heart, smashed it into pieces, smashed it into pieces. No way back, no way back from the dark. Stupid me, believing in the honey words, cold stain coming from a silver tongue. Liar, leaver, lost soul, I thought your fire was warm. It was a furnace charring my skin to gray. 100 shards lost in the tall grass, broken, broken for good. You took my heart, you took my heart, smashed it into pieces, smashed it into pieces. No way back, no way back from the dark. Maybe I'll find the glue, maybe I'll find the time, maybe I'll find the exit, but the cracks are deep, the gaps are wide, the blood is dry. Nothing but a rattle now, bone dry like the desert wind. Walk on, walk away, walk fast. You finished the job, you won the prize. I'm just the ghost left in the smoke. You took my heart, you took my heart, smashed it into pieces, smashed it into pieces. No way back, no way back from the dark. Gone forever, gone forever, gone broken piece by piece, broken piece by piece, left behind, no coming back, no coming back, no coming